Sorry for the poor quality, but this is a super easy install if you're a Jeep owner and you want to just give a little pizzazz to your hood latches. Got these parts from Quadratec and they actually look really nice. Initially they look a little brighter than the silver, but once you actually install it, it kind of picks up that silver from the original car, so it actually looks really nice. And simple install. They are just, it's kind of hard to see here with the glare. I'll try to get a better view, but there is just washer and nut back here that you just have to unscrew with a 13 mil wrench, and just once you unscrew that, you remove the original piece out and just install this one back in using the factory hardware, and it should take you not more than like 5 minutes to do, and it'll give your car a whole new look. So here's still the original latch. I'll have photos, and actually here you can see the nut and washer, but I'll have the before and afters, or actually a side-by-side comparison. But yeah, quick, easy install, definitely worth it if you just want to give yourself a little unique touch.